Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off notifications on Instagram Android. First, what you need to do is to go on your profile web page and then go on the three dots line on your right upper side. Then you need to choose settings. After that, you need to go on the second section that says notifications. Go and tap on it. Now, as you can see, all are turning on. You have go and, for example, pause them all. Go and you have minutes, how many minutes or hours you wanna push it off and don't receive notifications. But for example, I will use 15 minutes. Now, as you can see, we have done it, but we have one more options about turning off notifications on Instagram Android. First, go back on the settings menu on the phone and go on, scroll down and search for apps. Go manage apps, and after that on the search box type Instagram. Go tap on it and go on notifications. Now, as you can see, the show notifications is turning on. You need to turn it off. Go on that, and now guys, you know how to turn off notification on Instagram Android. Thanks for watching. Make sure that you hit that like and share the video. See you soon.